Okay, slight pressure to fit that under there. Just pull up. Kind of go like that. Go up to the top. Do the same over here. Pop it. And just kind of work your fingers. Bottom. And you gotta kind of get it out there. Just work it across. Sometimes you need the card again. Make sure you use something plastic so you don't mess anything up too bad. Just run it across. Don't hit these wires. Then get 4 screws in the corner.
Okay, pause.
Okay, start again.
Yep.
So we're getting these 4 screws. Okay, pause it again. Yeah, go. Okay, so get these screws out. Make sure you don't lose them because they're small. I normally put them in a bowl. Then kind of just wiggle it out of there. And okay, pause it again. Right? Okay, then you just kind of wiggle this back and forth a little. Just wiggle it ever so slightly. That should come unplugged. There's a sticker on there that's holding it a little bit. Might have to take that sticker off. Just peel it. You're gonna want to use it again. It holds it in place, so just try not to tear it like I'm doing. Or just remove the sticker like I'm doing now because it's on there pretty good. So there you have it. That's off. And you kind of just do everything in reverse. Wiggle it back together. Make sure it's tight up against. Don't be too hard. Don't break anything. Screws back.
Come on.
Screw the 4 back in. Don't tighten it too much. Okay, pause it. Make sure to remove the screen protector. You can't get off once you put the rest on. So try to line it up and just start putting some light pressure on the edges. I'll finally get one to pop in place. You kind of just go from there. Oh, make sure you gotta do, forgot about this. Gotta kind of get that bottom in right first. It's a little tricky. Make sure you're even pressure. Don't try not to break it. Okay, it's over. So you're gonna miss a couple, guarantee it. And that is it.